Hi, I'm Scott Milne from National Energy Technologies. We introduce and educate facility owners on advanced conservation strategies. Today you'll see a demonstration of this water flow management valve and its remarkable ability to slow the movement of a running water meter. This product is legally installed after the water meter on the user's side, and through an oscillation action, this will eliminate the bubbles and the turbulence before the meter. This can help reduce the meter spin by 5 to 12%, and since the sewer bill is often taken from the meter reading, your savings is likely to be even better. The good news is that this process is totally scalable and is so effective in commercial and industrial applications that it will often pay for itself within 12 months or sooner. Today we'll be installing this 3/4 inch version on this meter. We're going to be timing the water cycle for 15 minutes exactly. We're going to run 2 spigots and measure how much water passes through the meter before we install the valve. We'll then come back later and do it again. But I want to have you come in and take a careful look at the meter so we can validate our results. Okay, and with that we're going to go upstairs and get our... Okay, this is a dynamic water pressure valve. We want to prove with this valve that installing our water flow management device will not reduce building pressure. So let's go ahead. As you can see, building pressure is about 55 pounds of pressure before the installation of the valve. We'll come back later and take a look at this again. Okay, we're going to begin our test with this stopwatch right here. We're going to turn it on full. We'll go outside and run another one. Okay, we're going to turn on this outside spigot at exactly 1 minute into our test. We'll turn it on full, and that's draining out back. So this is going to run for 14 minutes. And our inside faucet will run for exactly 15 minutes, and then we'll install the valve. Okay, we're back, almost 15 minutes. So we're going to shut this faucet off just at exactly 15 minutes. And we're going to go outside and shut off the other one. Okay. Okay, 15 minutes and 30 seconds, we're shutting off the exterior faucet. Okay, we're back. After 15 minutes of running 2 open spigots, it appears as if we've used 112.9 gallons. So we're going to zoom you in and let you take another look at the water meter. Okay, we're back. And now we've installed our water flow management valve. In the installation process of our valve, we had to flush the pipes. We used 59.24 gallons to do so. So we have a new starting point for our meter read. Now we're going to go ahead and run those same outlets for 15 minutes. But first, come on in and let's take a look at the meter reading. Okay, back to the faucet. Now we're going to start our 15-minute trial test. All the way on. Let's go head outside. Okay. And 30 seconds later, we turn on our hose bib. 15 minutes. So we're going to shut this faucet off just at exactly 15 minutes. And we're going to go outside and shut off the other one. Okay. Okay, we're going to go ahead and shut off this hose bib now. 15 minutes and 35 seconds. So now we can go back in and check the valve and the meter. Hi, we're back. And our second test for 15 minutes yielded a 92.75 gallon run rate. Same 15 minutes before, 112.9 gallons. That's a 17.8% reduction from that meter spin with the same two faucets open for the same 15 minutes. So as you can see, the oscillation movement in this valve will reduce meter spin. And in a second, I'll let you come on up here and take a look at the new meter reading. If you have any questions about this conservation strategy or any others, please visit our website, www.nationalenergytech.com. Thank you. Okay, back to the dynamic pressure valve. Just like before, we're running a faucet inside the building, and we want to see if our water flow management valve has at all reduced building pressure with that faucet running. Go ahead and turn her on here. And as you can see, just like before, we're at about 55 pounds of pressure. So our device has not decreased the building pressure any noticeable degree.